What a move here on the SPY, the S&P 500 index. If it's your first time coming across the channel, welcome to all subscribers. Welcome back. So here we are with the SPY, the S&P 500 index, under a bull indicator here at 598, popping up, and it sent out that notification directly to our Discord at 9:55 a.m. And from that moment forward, inflows crossed the midpoint to the upside, full strength there on 42 vision, and call options went up 200% plus within an hour, guys. If you guys want to receive the clarity and edge that you deserve, check out the link down below in the description and know about these stocks early on, and join the members using 42 vision, and also in the top pinned comment, click it, join us, and check it out. We look forward to getting you connected and having you join the community. So here we are with the SPY, the S&P 500 index, ranging in a tight range and continuing to reject the 600, 602 level of outflows historically, and also from here back on Tuesday, where things started to reject and accelerate downwards. And then we're back down here again at a tight area of inflows. We're going to break it all down in today's video, but before we do, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity that was mentioned this morning over at the Discord. The home run of the day was spectacular and beyond expectations, and if you guys want to know about these stocks early on and receive this clarity and edge over the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description and in the top pinned comment to get connected and join the members using 42 vision in our inflow versus outflow. And the home run of the day was from our QQQ bot. Our QQQ bot at 9:55 a.m. sent out a bull indicator, and from that moment forward, inflows crossed the midpoint to the upside, bull strength on 42 vision, and call options went up 100% plus within an hour, guys. If you guys want to receive the clarity and edge that you deserve, check out the link down below in the description and the top pinned comment to get connected. We look forward to having you join us, and let's jump to these charts. Here we are with the SPY, the S&P 500 index, doing a full transition from the dip area to multiple rip areas of bright green bars, and back down to the dip area here on the pullback. If it's your first time coming across the channel, this is 42 vision, which allows us to see the dips from the rips to the dips, and where the strength and weakness lies with our bull and bear indicators and inflow versus outflow as extra layers of confirmation, which I'm going to pull up here and you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts and using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. And in today's video, I'm going to pull up the inflow versus outflow indicator, which adds that extra layer of confirmation and gives us that edge within the volatility. So the SPY is under a bear indicator here at 599 on the 30-minute. And when we zoom out to the 2-hour and 3-hour, there's bear indicators here on the 3-hour. And then the 2-hour is under a bear indicator here in the after hours. And then you have the 4-hour here that's been under a bear indicator since up here at 601, 602. And we talked about this in our previous videos. If we kept rejecting as we tried coming up, it was going to bring us back down to test these supports, and 597 is being tested. 595 is crucial, and then it comes all the way down towards 592, and our outflow levels are showing that too. So let's go ahead and pull those up, and we're going to see that in these charts. So in today's volatility on the 15-minute, the SPY showed us a clear move here of outflows actually rejecting, right? We got a bull indicator, we pushed up towards it, and once this bull indicator popped up at 598 using the inflow versus outflow, these inflow levels here were pretty strong. And then the first resistance was up here near 599.93, and then the beginning of that outflow level is down at 600, and the top was 601.70. So anywhere in between that area was the point of reference from down here at 598 of where things could gravitate and retest, and they did, right? They went up towards it and they rejected it, came back down towards it, and then a bear indicator popped up here after rejecting twice that outflow level, and it pulled down towards the support area, not touching it, but got close to it at 596. Now on the 5-minute, we could see a little bit more of that volatility here, and we can certainly see that outflow level that was huge and push things down. And then on the 30-minute, we are down here testing the inflow level again that's been holding up this chart above 597 and 595, which we've talked about since back here on Friday going into Monday. And what did we do? We touched that outflow level from previously back on Wednesday, and then here we are below it, and then we touched another outflow level from yesterday to today and rejected it. So if we break through 595, 592 all the way to 589 is a crucial area of support to watch. And to the upside, 601 and 603 I'll be watching. Now, you could see it here even with individual stocks on Tesla, on Apple, these outflow levels and inflow levels within the volatility, how they react. And this is a perfect example, right? This inflow level came in and it was trying to retrace and retest up towards this outflow level. It didn't touch it, but it headed towards it, right? And at least you had that area as a point of reference at 197.80, 198. And then this outflow level here rejected. And what was the level to watch to the downside? The support area, which it retraced and retested. And you can see it again here on Tesla, right? That inflow level came in, and what did it do? It went all the way up towards that outflow level here on the 5-minute chart. So this is what 42 Vision does with the inflow versus outflow. It gives us the confirmation of trend with the bull and bear indicators, and the inflow versus outflows are strong areas of support and resistance that tend to be retraced and retested within the volatility. And you can now gain that access and edge as well and know about these stocks early on. Check out the link down below in the description and the top pinned comment. We look forward to getting you connected and having you join us. Or when inflows appear, and this is another great example here on the 30-minute on Apple. A bear indicator popped up, the outflow level here was rejected, and then you have here the inflow level losing traction at 202, came all the way down to 201 and the lows there of 200. And if this one was broken through, the next level that it could retrace and retest of support was down here near 198, and it's trying to bounce here right now. If that breaks, there's room to go even down towards 197 or even 196. And these are just examples here of individual stocks in their inflow versus outflow levels. And it really gives us that perspective of strength of trend with the bull and bear indicators, and then the supports and resistance in areas that may retest or even retrace. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.